Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on a HP Officejet 3830. And this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now, although my printer is set into English, I'm going to try and make my instructions as clear as possible so you can follow it, regardless of what language your machine is in currently. So, from the home screen of the printer, we're going to swipe ourselves along until setup is exposed. We press to go into setup, and we need to go into preferences, which is the top option. Now we're in preferences, we need to go to language, which is the second option down. And here we have a full list of languages your printer can use. So just scroll to wherever you need to be, press on the language, confirm, and you are done. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.